Welcome back to Product Critique. Shredded. Today, we're diving into the NM1 Router Rebooter,
a game changer in ensuring uninterrupted internet connectivity. The NM1 Router Rebooter continuously monitors your router or modem 24/7, ensuring your smart home and connected devices are always online. Say goodbye to manual troubleshooting and enjoy a worry-free network experience. Take control of your network with customizable parameters such as ping URL, ping time per round, reboot times, and more. Customize the reboot settings to ensure optimal internet connection quality and device stability.
Receive email notifications when the network is down or back up,
allowing you to take immediate action or seek technical assistance.
Stay informed about the status of your internet connection, even when you're away from home.
The NM1 Router Rebooter offers a hassle-free solution for network maintenance with effortless usability. Its straightforward installation and intuitive interface make managing network configurations a breeze.
No internet connection is required for configuration, ensuring the security of your data.
All settings are done locally on the web IP site, providing you with absolute privacy and security. One customer shared their experience with the NM1 Router Rebooter, highlighting its effectiveness in stabilizing their network. They noted that while the product worked well, they encountered a minor issue with email notifications. The NM1 Router Rebooter is a valuable addition to any home or office network, ensuring a reliable and secure internet connection.
With its automatic monitoring, customizable settings, and email notifications, it's a must-have for tech-savvy individuals. Thank you for joining us on Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth product reviews and tech insights. Stay connected with the NM1 Router Rebooter, and we'll see you next time.